Hi guys, welcome back to our kitchen. I hope you're all having a beautiful day. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Claudia and I want to invite you to hit that subscribe button so you too can be part of our family. Today I'm going to share with you how to make my favorite banana bread. So in case you have old ripe bananas, don't throw them away. And if you want to learn how easy this recipe is, stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so we're going to begin by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. Once we have that going, now we're going to grab our bowl and we're going to put in our bananas. Now let me tell you, the riper, the better. Look at that. You want them to be like this. Okay, so transfer them all in there. Okay, so there are your 4 bananas in there. And now we're going to smash them down. Okay, so once we have our bananas all nice and smashed, now we're going to add 1 stick of butter melted, 2 eggs at room temperature, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now we're just going to whisk. So just whisk until you no longer see the egg yolk. Okay, so once we have a wet mixture, now we're going to add 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And now we're just going to fold it all in. Just mix until everything is well combined. Okay, so once we have our mixture ready, we're going to add 1/2 cup of walnuts. Now just mix it in. Okay, so now we're ready to transfer it to our bread mold. Okay, so we're going to grab a bread mold and now we're just going to lightly spray it with non-stick cooking spray. Okay, so remove the excess. Okay, so now we're ready to transfer our batter in. Okay, make sure you get everything. Okay, so just spread it evenly. And now we're going to top it with some more walnuts. Okay, so once we have it ready, now we're ready to bake between 50 minutes to 1 hour. Alrighty guys, so after 50 minutes, we're going to check on our banana bread. And let me tell you that it smells delicious. And now we're just going to allow it to sit for a couple minutes. Alrighty guys, so after a couple minutes, we're going to remove our bread from our mold. And it's still a little hot, and now we're just ready to enjoy. And of course, you can allow your bread to cool down completely before serving. Me personally, I like my bread to be a little warm. So I'm just going to cut into it. And you cut them as big as you want. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I am so ready. I love banana bread. We all love banana bread, especially when it's homemade. You know, this recipe, it's super easy to make. It's fast. The hardest part is just waiting. But let me tell you that it is so worth it. The bread is so moist and it's just perfect. But I am ready, so cheers and enjoy. My favorite part is the walnuts. But of course, if you want to use pecans, go ahead and add pecans. You add whatever you want, chocolate chips. But cheers and enjoy. Perfect every time. And it's not too sweet. It's just perfect. Never throw your bananas away. Make banana bread. Seriously. So good. Get your cup of coffee, milk, or just like that. That's me. Look at that. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make super easy and delicious banana bread. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.